All right, we're back. Got 2 packs of 2024 Archives Baseball, pack of 2025 Alan Ginter, and then 2025 Chrome. So let's get to it. On Grissom, Spencer Strider, Cloth, Yamamoto, cool. Shea Langoliers, Liam Contreras, Bobby Witt Jr., Suzuki, nice. Gunnar Henderson, that's a good pack. Senga, Corbin Burns, Koufax, Yohan Santana, Westberg rookie, Blanco rookie, Masataka Yoshida, nice. For the other one, okay. Julian, Jordan Walker, Piazza, I haven't seen that one. Greg Maddux, Gavin Williams, rookie. Andy Rodriguez, rookie. Pete Crow Armstrong, nice. Mike McLean, McCutcheon, Josh Lowe, Glasnow, nice. Reese, Chase Utley, Francisco Lindor, Luzardo, cool. Very nice. All right, let's go for the A and G. And I did not cut that far enough down. Okay, got Lugo, Seth Lugo, Big Christmas, Weber, Jeter, Big Sean, Byron Buxton, Colby Mayo. Oh, it's a Kershaw. Before that, we got Cole. That's cool. The Kershaw's cool. Let me see. No?
It's glossy.
It is glossy. Check this out. We got 2 minis in this one.
That's nice.
Arise in Holiday. It's a normal back on that one. Oh, it's the A and G back on the Holiday. Holiday, yeah. Mel Ott, Gibby, Sandy Koufax. Nice. All right. Chrome time. I don't think I've opened up any Chrome, huh?
No, that one's your first one.
We did get a Bowman.
You got it. It's a blaster box.
This one is?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what's going on in here. All right. 4 cards. It's looking good already. Jackson Churio. Oh, that's cool. Wow, Shunk. These are all Eskeens. Sweet, dude. Except there's one other card in here. Castellanos. Sweet. It's your favorite player. All right. Number 2. we got? Vientos. Shigano. Vientos. Ben Rice, rookie, nice.
Ooh.
Iriarte.
Just black and white.
Mm-hmm. Very cool. All right. Next one. Okay. Williams. Senga. Louder. Laylock. Scherzer. Oh, that's a cool looking card, huh?
Yeah.
What's up with that? Weird.
Yeah, there's cards like that. They look really cool.
It's like a sepia or something color.
Yeah.
I've never even seen one of those.
Yeah, those things are really cool.
Oh. Pretty happy with what we've pulled so far.
Mm-hmm.
What do we got here? Jackson Churio.
It's shiny. D-backs.
Mason Wynn. Who is it on the D-backs?
Christian Mena.
Christian Mena. Nice.
Rookie.
Rookie. Corey Seager. Very cool. Wow. Topps Chrome. It's been good to us. Okay. McRae. Rookie. Ooh, a Judge.
It's a good one.
All Rise. Oh, Big Christmas. Nice. Malloy. Rookie card. Ooh, another one. Horner. Wow. Dude. Nice. Two more. Okay. McNeil. Kuna Jr. Nice. Jimenez. Oh, Jung-Ho Lee. Cool. Last one. All right. Logan Webb. Yamamoto. What is that?
Oh, that is cool.
Severino. Oh, that's cool. It's like a negative.
Like a hot thing that detects heat.
Yeah. Bloss. Oh, Lindor. That one's cool too. It's like the sepia. Dude. Nice. Pretty happy with these ones. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.